Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atle Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we have a significant price drop on the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is down and altcoins are even more. And the Celsius is facing some kind of big problems right now. I would like to talk about the details. Then I would like to talk about that Bitcoin hash rate marks all-time high, which means that even price going down, it's now all-time high, how difficult it is to mine Bitcoin. And the third news is all about that in Ethereum, the difficulty bomb is about to delayed. So guys, all this in today's video. And if it's important for you to keep yourself up to date in these difficult times as well, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every single weekday, doesn't matter what happens, good or bad, I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Hit the like button if this is important for you and you like this kind of content. And also check out the links under this video because there are many useful ones. Okay, let's have a look at the price. And wow, that's crazy. In the last 24 hours, we were already down with Bitcoin, but now look, it's at 24,000 and we were at the end of 23,000 not long ago. So about 12% down the last 24 hours. Ethereum, it's even more, down 15%. It's 1,244 US dollar at the moment. When we're looking at the winners, forget it. When we're looking at the losers, Nexo down 24%. Then we have Curved Out 24%, the Maker 20%. Again, double digits all the way. Look, wow. So this hit the market again very hard. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see it here. You know, we have here a kind of not so strong support level. However, I did mark it for a while ago. This at 23,300 something. But then definitely the next strongest support level, it's roughly about here at 20,000. So we could go down. Look at this volume here. Now, when you're looking at the volume and the selling volume, it's pretty big. So yes. Now we're witnessing one of those other days when again, you know, it's a big selling pressure, but we cannot go to zero. So yeah, it's very interesting what's happening here. But important, look at Nasdaq. When you look at Nasdaq, it's down already 31%. So it's already in the bearish area. When we're looking at the S&P 500, then look, it came down again all the way here. It's almost 20%. And we do know how it is. If it will be over 20%, then we will count as a bear market for the S&P 500 as well. This will be, I think, also an important next move. When we're looking at the fear and greed index, we have 11. So extreme fear, no question. I think it can now even go lower. And yeah, let's move on to the first topic, because the first topic, it has definitely an impact on the prices, what we're witnessing right now. And this is all about what's happening with Celsius. It wasn't long ago when we witnessed a big project called Terra Luna falling significantly and, you know, vanished. And also with that, definitely we do know about the UST. And now we have another project which facing some kind of difficulties. And this is right now Celsius. Celsius, if you don't know, it's a platform where you can actually, you know, stake your cryptocurrency. And for that, you can definitely get some rewards, some interest. And it's a centralized system. Again, centralization. And this is definitely an issue. Always is an issue. And when you're looking at the numbers of Celsius right now, I mean, how much it is down. It's down right now, as you can see, 97.6%. Look at this here, this significant fall. It started to go down here recently, very much. And Celsius always said that, okay, don't worry, they won't stop the platform work as it's supposed to be. They under the control. And then now we have today announcement from Celsius that due to the extreme market conditions, today we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swap and transfer between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time its withdrawal obligations. So guys, again, the centralized system, people don't like it. Why don't they like it? Because again, they have seen what happened to Terra. Everything is fine, and then things continued. And what's happening here with Celsius is here, example, it's guy called Dylan Leclerc, and he posted this on Twitter. And look, Celsius is massive holder of STETH, which is liquid stake ETH using Lido. So to earn yield on ETH, waiting on the merge to POS. So what's happening? If you would like to stake some Ethereum in Ethereum 2.0, you're going to need 32 ETH to do so. And you cannot take this Ethereum out. However, if you're using Lido, then simply you can just stake as much as you want. It could be half ETH, could be 1 ETH, could be 3 ETH, whatever. And when you stake that, you get in return STETH, which actually can be freely traded. Therefore, we have this kind of STETH ratio. And this is supposed to be 1-to-1, okay? So it's like about the same, but it's always slightly, STETH is always cheaper than ETH. And however, when you look and get this, so it's a peg, if you remember the dollar peg with UST. But this peg, because of the market situation, people started to cash out STETH, and this caused some difficulties because the peg, and look at this candle here recently on the 4-hour, it came all the way down here to 0.89, and just guess what would happen to UST and all these kind of things when something losing a peg. It's causing panic on the market, and even more people would like to take out. Now they have problems to withdraw money from Celsius. And then we have 320 million in crypto sent to FTX user withdrawal post, as I just said. So crypto staking and lending platform Celsius may be dealing with this rumored liquidity crisis by unstaking 247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin from Aave and sending it to FTX exchange. So they're getting some liquidity. Speculations among the crypto community are now flaring as the project has been moving massive amount of VBTC, Ether, and other crypto assets, in addition posing withdrawals for users. So definitely Celsius now having a very difficult time. And can they cope with it? Again, another question. And just think about it. Again, we have this market situation already, right? We have this inflation numbers, we have the rate hikes, we have the war situation, we have the pandemic on for a while, and all this kind of economical trouble. And then we were hit, the crypto market was hit by the Terra problem, which was a top 10 project. And then we could have now this serious Celsius problem. We'll see how it will happen, and it will go. But again, we are living in extremely difficult times now. Has it changed Bitcoin fundamentally? No, it hasn't. But altcoins, guys, are always saying that altcoins are very, very dangerous. So Bitcoin is the one which is here for a long time and have survived so many things. We have some big altcoins performed a couple of times well. For example, there we have Cardano, for example. When you look at back how it performed after the bear market we witnessed in 2018, it went all the way down 90 whatever percent, and then it came back to its previous all-time highs and tripled that one. So there will be altcoins, they're coming back, but which one? We don't know. And now, therefore, altcoins are hit even harder than Bitcoin. So this is right now a situation with Celsius, and this has definitely an impact on the present price drop. Okay, the second thing I would like to talk about, however we're seeing this price decrease in Bitcoin, the hash rate marks all-time high. Okay, so what we have seen here, price is going down. Yes, this is not a question. However, for many people, surprisingly probably, that the hash rate is at all-time high, which is, as you can here see the number, amount of exahash per second. And look, we can see that the hash rate went down all the way in July last year when we had this kind of China situation, when China banned Bitcoin mining. And we had this V-shaped recovery. And what that means that if there are more and more miners are back on track or even joining the game, then definitely the hash rate is getting higher and higher. Here you can see the hash rate distribution among miners. There are some pools which are well known, and there here the unknown one. And which shows that even on the current prices, miners are mining even heavier than before. And it's like an interesting situation, but yes, it looks like that they are now hard workers and working on it to join the game. I don't want to be left out. But still, on the other hand, we see that we are definitely in this bearish period. But whatever happened on the stock market, in the past, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's always like this. Crypto market, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. So sooner or later, most likely, this is coming back. And again, we're going to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but not for all altcoins, that's for sure. Okay, and the third topic I'd like to discuss is about the Ethereum, because, we have this Ropsten testnet, had this successful merge. And then it can come to the mainnet, but now the difficulty bomb is about to delay. So let's talk about the difficulty bomb. So the Ethereum network developers have decided to delay the difficulty bomb. So it will be a measure to distinctive Ether mining operations from keeping the physical mining devices running as the network transactions from proof of work to proof of stake. So this is now a shift. This is the merge when we're moving to proof of work to proof of stake, and definitely it will slow down the miners. And it dramatically increases the difficulty for miners to verify transactions on the network, thus reducing the profitability for POV miners. Eventually, it will become impossible for physical miners to validate blocks. So this is the goal. And now we see here that there will be a 2-month delay, probably in that. And yes, so this is all with the difficulty bomb now. But, all the things with the merge, it will, of course, continue. But yes, it has several parts. And maybe this is a good news for some miners that they can a little bit continue. But, the number of dates are, we don't know how many dates are left. But definitely it will change to proof of work to proof of stake. This is what Ethereum is working on. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single weekday, I'm bringing you the freshest. So I'm back tomorrow with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss them. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. We're living in difficult times, so we have to stay focused, stay strong, stay together. And then we will live through it like we did back in 2018, or even those guys who were here before. So let's continue and hope for the best. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.